Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an easy artichoke dip. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 14-ounce can of artichoke hearts, 1 cup of mayonnaise, and 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Make sure to drain and chop your artichoke hearts finely. Also, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This quick preparation ensures a smooth start to your delicious, warm dip, perfect for any gathering. Now that your ingredients are ready, it's time to mix everything together. In a medium-sized bowl, combine the finely chopped artichoke hearts, the creamy mayonnaise, and the savory grated Parmesan cheese. Stir these components thoroughly until they are perfectly blended and evenly distributed. For an extra layer of taste, you can also add a pinch of black pepper and a dash of garlic powder. This step is crucial for achieving that rich, consistent flavor. With your dip perfectly mixed, it's time to get it into the oven. Carefully transfer the entire mixture into an 8 by 8 inch baking dish. Make sure to spread the dip evenly across the dish. This helps ensure consistent heating and a beautiful golden brown top. Bake it in your preheated oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until you see it bubbling and the top has a lovely golden hue. It will smell absolutely incredible. Your delicious artichoke dip is now ready. Before serving, let it cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. This makes it easier to scoop and enjoy. This warm, creamy dip pairs wonderfully with a variety of dippers. Offer it with crispy crackers, soft pita bread, or even fresh vegetable sticks like carrots and celery. For a final touch, consider garnishing with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or a dash of paprika to make it visually appealing. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.